right, so we're just on this overburden road headed to Backcountry, which will take us to Sledgehammer, which is the trail I am hoping to check off the list today. Sledgehammer. All right, check this out. Wow, there's just not a lot of room for a run up here. And it's bumpy. All right, gonna do a run up on Sledgehammer here, this opening drop. All right, just go right there. Woo! Yo, awesome. That was not bad. Not bad at all. This is a 1 mile trail, according to Trail Forks. First time I was gonna ride it, I was up at a bike shop in town and asked the guy about it. And he said, yeah, don't ride that. We've seen a lot of broken bikes and broken bones coming off that trail. So I didn't ride it. Now it's like, ooh, I don't know, 3 years later maybe. It's like, you know, I want to give this thing a shot. So yeah, here we are. Let's see what we got here. All right. Cool. Whew. There's a little punchy climb there. Oh yeah, that's a big drop right there. So this one, definitely gotta check out. Right around a corner. Oh yeah, it's big. It's very big, 5-6 feet. And I don't like that quick turn there, but you don't need a ton of speed. So yeah, I don't think this looks terrible, to be honest. Yo, that was a good one. All right, just hit this big drop and go on to this little bit. Next bit of trail here. Well, that's just weird because it's right onto, man, everything is just landing on rocks out here. I don't know how I feel about that. Yeah, I'm not doing that one. I really don't like that landing. Man, just rocks everywhere. Oh, that was weird. No speed for that. Yeah, that rolls. That looks fun. Jesus, it's just weird. There's just rocks. weird rocks placed everywhere. I just don't like the landings out here, man. I feel like people are bound to land bad. Huck. Yep. Just rocks. Just nasty rocks. Jesus. All right, what do we got here? That rolls. Sweet. That was fun. Oh, that is a huge, yeah, okay. So this is like a speed check jump. Let's go check this bad boy out. Holy shit. Safe to say I'm not doing that today. Yeah, that's extremely consequential. So this is the beeline. And yeah, man, that is, the landing's taller than that. That is some serious slope right there. It's probably set up right. I'm sure you fly over it, but yeah, the consequences for missing are terrible. So we're gonna bypass this one today. Well, I might as well hit that speed check jump and do a run up, but just to get a feel for it. But I know that I am not doing this today. No way, Jose. For a guy who cases jumps far too often, not a good idea. Holy shit. The problem with mountain biking is I feel like I had enough speed. And of course that would tempt me to do it. But oh, dude, I'm pretty sure I have that. Man, I've pulled off, I think, 6 wood ticks. I have had numerous mosquito bites, setting up cameras. So, hopefully this video turns out. Hey, and if you like it, why don't you like and subscribe to the channel? Really help out, make this all worthwhile. All right, I'm gonna go down this one more time and then continue on the trail. This is a fun little jump here. Sweet! Even remember to go right that time. All right, well, we'll see. Maybe if I come out here someday with somebody who's hit that before, can tow me in. Whoa. All right, there's more. Jesus, I wasn't even close. Not even close. All right, so that is the Sledgehammer Trail, and I do have just a few thoughts on this trail. One, this is a very technical, high consequential trail that you don't really want to mess up on. I think it definitely deserves a double black trail rating, and yeah, don't take it lightly. Jumps. There are a few jumps built into this trail. It's definitely not a jump trail, but there are some scattered about. And you know, reminiscent of the Dynamite Trail at the Sagamore unit, they're placed weird where you feel like you can't get enough speed for them unless you're pedaling like crazy. I consider myself an intermediate jumper, and I didn't really hit any of these, which I guess is appropriate for a double black rated trail. Lastly, the vibe of this place is, it feels manufactured in a way. And what I mean by that is most of this trail, believe it or not, is just standard Cuyuna dirt. You're just pedaling on it, but then, you know, they dropped huge piles of huge rocks in very specific areas to make big features. It works, they're big features, but at the same time, you know, for my money, I really prefer that kind of more authentic backcountry feel that you get out of like Duluth or somewhere on the North Shore, like Split Rock Wilds, where the chunk, the technical features just feel like a part of the earth in that spot. And so it is what it is. It's not a huge deal. Just thought I'd share kind of my opinion on that. So anyhow, I hope this was a helpful overview of the Sledgehammer Trail. And if you're up for it next time you go to Cuyuna, check it out. That's all I have for today. Thanks for watching, everybody. Wow! I think we scared each other, dude. Whew. Nature.